All right, so hopefully things are okay. Oh my gosh. All right, so you should be able to see my iPhone now, and I should also be able to kind of move it. Yeah, all right. Oh wow, okay. What in the hell? All right, so my scene is now jacked up. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Cam really needs to work out their locking mechanism for scenes. It's not very good. Okay, it looks like I think everything is back to how it should be. Let me pull up chat. All right, so I get to basically restart everything that I was just doing. I've lost everything. Oh wait, no, maybe I had, no. Yeah, I lost everything. Down music just a little bit. Excuse me. All right, I'm gonna switch over to this. Yeah, all right, cool. So yeah, now we can see everything. Let's see if this is gonna build at least and deploy. Oh, what? What other app would it be? Like, I fucking opened the project and it's now like, come on, man. I really, man, this is frustrating. This is weird. Okay, it didn't crash, so I want to confirm that this is working. Well, not. I want to make sure that there's nothing weird happening in the background. So I'm going to inside of my app delegate. I should be able to like specify the debugging level or something like that. And I'm going to see if this matches the docs that I've written. You think I know the website? I don't. I always have to do this. Oh, wait a minute. No. I got to go to README. I don't think these docs are public yet. Okay, there should be a set log level. Okay, there is. Let's stop and read. Oh, come on. Is it going to do this every single time? All right, look at that. All right, so we are getting a bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna just copy all of that, put it in another file. Okay, it seems to be, I don't seems to be working. Let's see if I can get a notification. Come to this doc right here if it works. All right, so review and send. Oh wait, estimated. Oh, okay, I got. Okay, this is my bad. I had to opt this user into push. I have that somewhere here. So yeah, I needed to do this, opt the person in. Now, honestly, I should have a button and I will do that eventually. But for right now, I'm just gonna do it this way. So let me stop, redo the thing, and let's see if it opted me in this time around. Okay, so you should see here now, allow. Okay. So now I should be opted in, and if I come to my audience, there should be a user here now. All right, yeah. So this is how I know that this is right. So this right here is correct. It never prompted, and that's because I didn't ask it to. So this device doesn't have the push. However, this one does, and we get subscribed. Yeah, I13.4, 16.4. All right, cool. So now if I go back to messages, I should be able to resend this. And there's an estimated recipient, so 1. We may see the notification pop up if I'm not in, if I'm not in whatever that mode is where like I'm busy and I don't want to respond to stuff. Focus mode. But let's see if it came through. Yeah. I guess it'll help if I get rid of all these other notifications maybe. All right, so this is just a test. Did it work? And then it should take me to the docs. Okay, all right, cool. So as of right now, we now have one signal integrated into an iOS. It's just a basic iOS application. I'm trying to keep it as bare minimum as possible because this is going to be a sample app. And I don't think that, yeah, I think we should not do too many things because it's just confusing. So this is iOS Swift UI using Swift Package Manager to use one signal. And yeah, this opt-in, what I want is to have a button that could control that. So maybe I'll just come here and figure out how to add a button. Whoa. How do I close this editor? Wait, what? Oh gosh, okay. Maybe that, okay. Thought there was a way to like add stuff easily, but maybe not. So inside of this V stack, let's put a button maybe. I have no idea how buttons work, so let's go to Swift UI and like look for buttons. Well, sure. Let's see. Subscribe to push. How about that? We'll call it enable. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, wait a minute. Man, you know what we're about to do? Let's see if Chapita, GPT, maybe it'll work. I don't know. We'll see. It's almost as if it doesn't know that I pay for this. It's talking about upgrade to plus. There we are. All right, yeah. So let's do a new chat. Maybe. Oh, okay. It's already there. All right, cool. All right. All right. So, produce. Give me the code for a button with an action in Swift. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Yeah, just give me the code. Like, I don't. Okay, there we are. Oh, okay. So action is just I forgot. It's a label. My bad. I'm over here thinking action is like something special, and in actuality, it's just I get to define the thing here. But there should also be a button in here too, right? Okay, sure. All right. All right. I'm going to copy all of this. I'm not, yeah. It's being weird about selecting, so I'll type it like a peasant. All right, so inside of this action, I'm gonna wanna call my one signal thing somehow. One signal, yeah, all right. X something. I forgot what it is already. I'm not good at remembering stuff. Oh, it's framework. My gosh. Okay, so inside of this button, I'm gonna do one signal user push subscription opt in, like so. Hopefully it'll, I don't know. I'm not sure why it's taking so long to, like, I didn't change anything in the UI. Perhaps I should just stop the thing and then, I'm gonna add another button right quick. So let's add another button. I should really only have one button. This would have conditional text. So I would want to figure out whether or not whether or not push is enabled. So I should be able to do that. We'll just say one signal dot, is it user? Yeah. Push subscription, opted in. We'll say if opted in, then we want to do that. Otherwise, we want to do the opposite. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna invert it this way. So this is gonna be opt out, and I'm gonna move this to here. Now I want to use a ternary expression for this. I think I could do ternaries. Oops. All right, cool. So let's run it. And if I did something, okay, all right, yeah, see, it says disable push, so it's right. So because it's enabled at the moment, it should say disable. So let's see what happens if I disable push. It doesn't update the UI. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna stop it just to make sure that that actually did happen before I start talking shit. Okay, no, it worked. Okay, so it's on me to update the UI, whatever. Okay, sure. But for now, this is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and enable push. Nothing's gonna happen, in quotes, except this part right here. So it actually did happen. All right, yeah. Go back to the docs. I forgot to delete that. Oops, wrong website. I'm gonna go to GitHub. I'm about to enumerate through all of the publicly accessible functions or methods, whatever you want to call it, in whatever verbs, not verbs, whatever noun you like to use. I'm going to be doing that. So as of right now, this is ordered. Is this ordered in alphabet? Yeah, it looks like it's alphabetical. So we're going to start there. So I've already done set log level. There's also a set alert level, which takes a log level. So we'll do warn or error. And I'm not actually using these, I'm just enumerating them so that we can see all of the things that are possible without me having to go and look at the docs every time. All right, so we're done with the debug namespace because we have the two. So next, we'll do in-app message. Oh, excuse me. All right, so I can create an in-app message on our website. So let me go there. Wait, I thought I had. I do. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, no, this is my personal. Okay, we want to get rid of that. All right, I think this should work. So, oh, wait. No, this is literally the same thing I just closed. What am I doing? This is what I want. All right, let's come into here. And we're going to create a new message. And that message here. So there is this welcome message. Let's enable this. Yeah, this is fine. All right, it does match. I'm just confirming that it matches. We're gonna get a trigger key value. Okay, this is just going to open whenever the app opens, I guess. So let me just delete that. I also maybe want to show my iPhone. Yeah, all right. And I'm gonna go ahead and enable push. I'm gonna stop the application. And okay, that went through. All right. We'll stop the application and rerun it. And if this is working the way that I expect, yeah, okay, see, there we go. So now we get an in-app message on open. And we can also specify certain conditions are satisfied as well. So there might be an in-app message that already has it. If I can avoid having to like do actual work, I'm going to do that and just lean in on what we have. So let's see if this is triggered with something. Nope, app open. Don't want that. Push prompt permission. This is on app open too, dang it. So I could change this to say when a condition is met, and the trigger may be the like that button. So let's do that. So we'll say key is I don't know, enable push. I'm gonna call it push permission prompt. Oops. A spinning wheel right now. Things aren't open. Oh, come on, open. There we are. All right, cool. So let's turn down that mic. Okay, so we're gonna have show push permission prompt. And I don't know, I'll just set it to true, I guess. One, how about that? That's easier. And I should probably enable this. Okay, all right, so it's enabled. So now I should be able to come back into my little click handler thingamajig, and instead of doing opt-in, I'm gonna do something else. So the trigger that I want is the thing that I just defined. I've already forgotten what it is, so hopefully I can find that. Nope. Okay, it's not here. I had to edit this. This is yeah, product feedback. All right, so where is craft? Got not a small bit, yeah. Oh, I just saw. Oh, what's up, Steve? I'm building a sample app, demonstrating how to use our new version of the SDK that it's currently in beta. So we'll put that, and we'll put with value 1. Oh, what? Yeah, with value 1, and we don't care about any of that other stuff. This is ugly. Oh, it fixed itself. Okay. All right. Okay, so now we have my trigger. Yeah. We'll get rid of that. Ah, shit. I kind of think man. You know what? This sample app is going to be different. Instead of trying to build a real app, oh shit. What I'm going to do is just put a button for each action. So at the moment, I am conditionally, the behavior of this button changes depending on the state. I'm going to change that. We'll just copy this. And this action is going to be to opt the person in. That's it. And we'll get rid of all that other crap. This will be enable push always. The next one is going to be disable push. Let me go ahead and create another one right quick before I edit it. All right, so this is going to be to opt out, which we already have. The rest of it goes away. And this will be disable push. All right, and then this last one, I'm going to just do my in-app message. We'll call this prompt for push permission, or prompt push permission. It'd be dope if it automatically formatted itself on save. Maybe there is a way to do this format. Okay, maybe Google is the answer. Format on save Xcode. We'll use Google. I have to install. Oh no, I'll pass. All right, so let's stop this, and we'll restart it. All right, there we are. So now we get enable push, disable push, prompt push permission. Let's prompt for push permission. And it may not show up because I may have already done that. Let's disable. Not showing. All right, well, guess we'll look at it. All right, one thing that I would like is for us to not put everything on a new line. This should just be a single line. Oh, it is a single line. No, it's not. Never mind. That's a lie. Okay, so I actually don't see the thing. Like, I would expect to see a thing. Let's can I clear these? No, of course not. All right, so let's see. Prompt push permission. Trigger condition change. Evaluating in-app messages. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, maybe it has to be a string. That part. Yeah. Okay. All right, there we are. So yeah, that was the issue. Yeah. I'm looking for my, oh wait, no, here, I found it. Okay. I was like, I'm looking for my thing. Yeah, so it needs to be a string. I don't know if we make that clear. My docs should, I don't know. Let's see what my docs say. Oh, I do make it clear. Okay. It's, all right, this is me not listening to myself actually. So I wrote this and then I proceeded to not do that. But I do have an issue with this because when I make this 1, it doesn't complain. All right, audio went out, but I guess it's been more stable than the last time. All right, so I gotta figure out why I'm able to do this. It should be yelling at me right now, but it's not. Yeah, I don't like this type. I think this should be a string. We are doing that here. So this NS string, that's what I would expect here. Although ID might be something. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's see what it has to say. Do I have it open? I thought I had it open at one point. No. All right, okay, sure, whatever. I'll just open a new one. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, that's not acceptable. Let's go to my craft thingamajigs. So the type of with what was that? With value. Of the param with value and whatever that function is. I just forgot. Add trigger. Wait, is that trigger or triggers? Yeah, that's trigger. All right, add. You know what? I don't like this back and forth. Let me put this over here. What the fuck? All right, so audio, that was weird. So I don't know why, but my volume, it keeps modulating. As if I have an LFO somehow connected to this. I don't think I do. Yeah, I haven't done any music, so there shouldn't be any LFOs on anything right now. Add trigger function. All right, so already we've discovered an issue that it should. So here's the issue. While my docs are correct, right? So like, wait, where is it? Yeah. So while this is correct, I accidentally put 1 like that and it accepted it. My issue is it should not be possible to do something that's not indicated in our docs. So this should just be like impossible to do. But it seems to be happy with that. This should also be impossible to do. If I were to create a random as object, that should also be impossible to do. As of right now, literally anything I put in here will be accepted, but it won't work. So that's my issue. So it's like compiling and working, 2 different things. So it'll compile, but it won't work. I need it to compile and to work. And if I do something stupid like this, I need it to not compile. So that way I never get in the position where it compiles but it doesn't work, aka JavaScript. We have these types for a reason here. So that's going back to a string like so. And now we have enable push, disable push, prompt push permission. There are some other things that we can add as well. Let's see, what can we do? Okay, we can get information about the actual action as well. But it looks like these, I haven't updated this yet. I need to update these. may be missing something. I don't see my, actually, let me just look. Where is my application thing? The name of the file. I'll just open it this way here. I'm looking for one of the callback or event handlers. There should be one on the in-app message, but I didn't see it. Oh wait, no, here we are. It's the set lifecycle handler. Wait, what is this? One signal iOS. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. What was that? I just saw my. Okay, it's my former coworker. All right, these are the things that I care about right here. So if I want to get this to work, I need to implement these other protocols, specifically the OS in message lifecycle handler, or I'm sorry, OS in app message lifecycle handler. So you'll see here, at the moment, I'm only implementing the NS object interface or protocol. This should be a UI responder as well, I think. Let's do that, UI responder. And we're gonna also do the OS in-app message lifecycle handler. And now, well, I would expect Xcode, well, maybe I shouldn't say that. I would expect a better IDE to tell me, hey, your class definition doesn't implement this interface, but that may be asking for a little bit too much. I'm gonna remove this. I don't need it anymore. I don't care. Well, I never needed it, but I'm just gonna remove it now. And we're gonna initialize the lifecycle handler. So for here, I should just be able to pass in this particular class. And we can implement these other things. Or why is this not? Okay, I was expecting that it would just be like, hey, you don't have these things, do something, but it's not going to do that. So I don't know why I expect Apple to have a decent development experience. I should just give up expecting that. All right, so at least it gives me, okay, at least it knows that it should be there. It's just not smart enough to do it. I get a click handler. Is there another thing that I need to handle? Okay. All right. So we can pull the action out. So it is a callback. All right, cool. Let's first just, I guess, copy this. Oops. I don't remember building, but sure. Oh, this is me. Okay, I'm dumb. I don't know how to type. I'm doing command B, not V, and that's weird. I would have expected that to have deleted what was there. Anyways, so we're gonna do just all right, audio went out again. It went out after only 15 minutes this time. So maybe that's going to be my cue, right? So as more and more audio issues pop up, it's just going to be like my cue to say, all right, we're almost done with the stream. Apparently it's not going to last for more than 30 minutes without issues. So I'm just going to kind of copy the name of the event that I'm responding to. All right. And okay, so here's the issue. My system audio is somehow corrupt. I can't hear my system audio. So every time I copy, I know that something happened. All right, so let's see. Is it still gonna do weird shit if I copy? Yeah, it sounds like it. Yeah, I still can't hear. Man, this is really annoying. Let me figure out why system audio isn't being transmitted. All right, let's do that. Okay, so I figured out the issue. At least for right now, anytime I copy or anytime there's a noise that happens on my machine, like an alert or a notification or anything like a chirp, it causes my audio, like on your end, to go out, right? So like my mic will cut off anytime there's a system noise. I don't know how to solve that. Yeah, I don't know how to solve that one. Any case, I now have this thing. Let's run it. Switch back over to my iPhone. All right. So okay. I'm not sure what happened, but I think it's almost time to go. I think that's what's happening, is that it's the universe telling me, hey, it's time to go. Yeah. So I'm going to run this one more time. Let's see if I can get the log to at least show up. Once the log shows up and I click this or tap this button, we should see the word IAM will display or something like that. So let's do that. I don't see it. All right, yeah, so no idea why this isn't working, but so far so good. We've integrated OneSignal. We've gotten push notifications set up, which is a little bit more, maybe I should have actually talked about that, but I did make a video on how to do that. That's why I kind of rushed through it. Getting the P12 cert created and uploaded to OneSignal so you can receive notifications on the device. And actually, one other thing before I go, let me make sure that I can receive this push notification even when the app is closed. It may not happen because there's some other things that I need to do that I just haven't done, but let's see. Maybe it will work. So we'll review send. Let me first come here and close everything. All right, perfect. So we'll send a message. I forgot I disabled. Damn it. So, okay, let me redo this. Here's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out if I can receive the push notification even when I don't have the app open. So I'm just making sure that I'm subscribed. It looks like I am. So we'll go back and yeah, we'll just send this. Yeah, so we have one subscribed user. Okay. All right, so I got the message. So I'm going to first clear it off. And then I'm going to just background the app and let's retry that. So app is backgrounded. Let's see if it'll come through. Yeah, it came through. So yeah, so we have push notification and that message. There are some other things that I will add eventually, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I think I've done enough. So if you enjoyed this, please consider, follow me, subscribing, whatever. And just a note, I do plan to reduce the volume of these because they don't get the engagement that I would like. So I'm probably gonna go start talking about like cultural stuff, like what's going on, current news, that kind of thing, advice, that kind of stuff. But in any case, thank you for joining so far, and be on the lookout for the next one. I'll probably stream my work, like this kind of work, if I can. Right, like certain things I can't, but like I should be able to share certain things. Anyways, y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.